my name is Vaishali Ajbale and today's date is 9 January 2024 and today our topic is collection set in Java. So what is collection? So the collection is the single unit of a object. Then what is set? The set is a interface that extend the collection. Then Java collection framework provides the three different types of interface. First is list, queue, and then set. So set does not maintain the insertion order. Then set does not allow to store the duplicate values. We cannot store the duplicate values in the duplicate values in the set. Then we cannot access the set of values by index. Then there are three implementation of the collection. There are three implementation of the collection set. First is hash set. Then second is tree set, and then third is link set. So hash set store the hash set class can be used to store the collection of the values in the hash table. Hash set can be store the elements by using the hashing mechanism. Then the hash set allows the only unique element, or it also allows the null values. Then it does not maintain the insertion order. Then in this we can use the there are different method can be used. First is the add method. With the use of the add method, we can add the keys or values. Then add all. With the help of add all method, we can adding the all the values. Then clear. Third is clear method. With the use of clear method, we can clear all the values from the hash set. Then the clone method. With the use of clone method, we can copy all the method of the hash set to another hash set. Then next method is the remove method. With the use of remove method, we can remove the element from the hash set. Then third is the tree set. Tree set does not maintain the insertion order. It does not allow the duplicate values. In this there are different types of method are used. First is add. Then second is the ceiling method. Then third is the clear method. Then fourth is the clone method. Then remove method. Then size. Then link set. So then link has set. So it can it can it has also the methods such as add all, then clear, clone, etc. Thank you.